Did you know that these tiny black and white squares can revolutionize the way we share information and run businesses? Today, we're diving into QR codes, those patterned boxes you see everywhere, from restaurant menus to product packaging. But what exactly makes them so powerful for both individuals and global enterprises? Imagine a digital door that can be opened with just a quick scan of your smartphone. That's essentially what QR codes are. Little gateways that instantly connect you to websites, payment systems, product details, and more. Their strength lies in simplicity. One scan, and you're there. Whether you're a coffee shop owner sharing a menu or a multinational corporation streamlining supply chains, QR codes offer a fast, secure, and cost-effective solution. Invented in Japan, QR codes, or quick response codes, were originally used to track car parts. Today, they're everywhere, helping people pay quickly, access essential information, and simplify interactions. So, next time you scan one of these little squares, remember, you're accessing the simple tech powering modern solutions all around you.